Hey Tommy, how you feeling? Hey, Tom. Tommy. No, he's too busy. Oh, you can hear the birds. He's on the back, he was on the front. And here we go. Mt Wooroolin.
Look at that view.
Nice view out there. It's a beautiful day. I'm heading down now.
Come out, getting out of the loft, getting some cabin fever there, so we've had to head out to do some forest bathing. Some Shinrin Yoku. Very soul restoring. Breathing in and breathing out.
Oh yeah, a lot of that's happening or we'll be dead.
Just coming down to where the loop road meets up the big steep hill. Now, there was a time when Esther and I were doing some training up this hill. This is one of the favourites in Kingaroy. I'm going to go back down into the forest here, but just around that bend it gets quite steep, and it's a great training run for anyone who is really working on getting their cardio resilience up. A lot of people come and do just walking or running. Some people even try and cycle up Wooroolin. It's quite a challenge. If you haven't had a go, get out there and give it a crack. Come in the early morning or late afternoon just to avoid the heat of the day. Here we are coming back into the nice woody forest area. This is a temperate rainforest, I think it is. It's really interesting microclimate up here, and yeah, really nice little hike. I certainly got my heart rate up carrying Noodle up to the top just before I was puffing and panting. So good bit of cardio for the afternoon. Nice to mix it up from some Tabata. I've been doing a bit of Tabata training at home, just the 3 by 4 minute rounds, and that's great as well. Welcome to come and join in if you're ever in the neighbourhood. The carport clears away to become a hardcore training centre. So yeah, this is, I'll just let you hear some of the birds. What was that really cool bird you saw in here, Sean? The unique one that Liz said. Can you remember the name of that bird?
No. Some sort of bowerbird.
Oh, that's right.
And a yellow and black bird.
Liz, if you're watching this, just remind us of that. That spotting. So guys, it's Passover. It's Good Friday, also known as the beginning of Passover. And yeah, we're settling in for a lovely long weekend, as most of our nation is. So enjoy this time with your family, your friends, loved ones, and take some time out just to breathe and restore and rest, refresh, reflect. And yeah, we'll see you on the other side. Speak soon. Take care.